Hi everyone, this is NB. In this video, we are going to see about print statement and what are the parameters in the print statement, how we are going to use those parameters to print anything we wanted in the console. Without getting late, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we see about comment lines. Comment lines are used to describe about your project or program. There are two types of comment lines. First one, single line comment, and second one, multi-line comment. Single line comment is used as in this manner. Like in other languages, C, C++, or Java, you use double slash to make comments for single line. But in Python, we use a hash symbol to make a single line comment. And we can make a multi-line comment using triple single quotes. Whatever you write in between these triple quotes, it's not recognized by Python. So first of all, we see about print hello world. Before moving to that, I wrote here three types of hello worlds. The content is same, but you can see that the quote which I used to hold this string is different. Unlike other languages, Python supports any type of quote you use to print some string. You can use double quotes like this, or you can use single quotes like this, or even triple quotes also. The multi-line comments are also a string, but it is not stored in anywhere. To run this, click F5. You can see that the three lines are printing hello world, which is very simple, right? In C language, if you want to write a program for hello world, you need to write 10 to 11 lines. So, whereas in Python, it needs single line. And next. So, by default, in a print statement, when it prints, the compiler move to the next line. To avoid that, if you don't want to move the cursor to next line, then you need to add a parameter called end, and that end is equal to, you can specify the character which you wanted in the end of that string which is printing. See, if you execute this line, what you will get. So you are getting print without moving the cursor to next line. You will understand it better way in the next example. See, you can print like values also. Like 26 is an integer. You can print using print statement. And then you can use a string and value together. Like C, it supports you can see that this is a number which is combined with a string. You can also use multiple values using this syntax. You add the string which you wanted to print and add the %d to how many variables you wanted, and you have to specify those values with percentage and with a tuple. We will see about tuple in later on videos, but for now you just see the execution how it works. See, there are some values 21, 12, 34. Right? Next. This type of execution is wrong because you are not specifying as a tuple and as well as you are not specifying the percentage. You should definitely use percentage symbol to print the values which should be replaced by this %d. Okay? This is an incorrect printing. You can print multiple values with string in a different way. Like if you want to print an int, a float, and a string, you can use the syntax to print all those three different data type elements. Like you can see the execution process. There are some values 21, 12.2341 volume, and you can specify the precision you wanted for float. By default, if you don't specify anything, it will take the precision as 6. See, I have specified in the first case as 4 precision, and here there is no precision which is set by me, and it default takes as 6. But if you want to specify the precision, you can use 0.2 or 4 or 5, whatever precision you require. And you can print a statement like this using /n, /t, /s, which are very useful in future cases. You can see that /n means the cursor will move to the next line, and /t means the space between is and a will be a tab space. /t means it's a tab space. And you can also see you can print a list of names or a list of numbers using this separate keyword. The separate parameter is used to separate these names with the character you specified in the separator. You can see like John, Jonas, Mikkel, Martha. These are all separated by 3 hyphens. And if you want to print empty line, you can print like this. You can see the execution. See, you are getting an empty line, right? Next. And if you want to print string and some values, you can print with the separator and with AND. You don't understand why I am putting this AND here. You will understand right now. See, by default the cursor is not moving to the next line. Using this print statement, we are moving that cursor. If you comment this print statement, the output will be changed like this. See, there is a tab space in between those 2 statements. If you want to separate those lines, you can put a print, empty line print. And next, you can see these all print statements are using quotes and double quotes and triple quotes. If you want to print a double quotes in a statement, enclose that entire string in a single quote and use the double quotes wherever you require. If you want to use a single quote, enclose this entire string with double quotes, and wherever you want, place the single quote. Or even if you want to use single and double quotes, you can enclose the entire string with triple quotes and use the single quote and double quotes wherever you want. And you can also print single and double quotes using / symbol like this. If you execute these statements, you can see that this is a printing statement. Statement is double quoted and single quoted. Number 2, single and double quoted and double quotes and /. This is all about print statement. If you like the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post an awesome new video. Thank you.